Hey everyone, this is Toys Unlocked, and we are on day 18 of our LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. This is the home stretch, and today we are building something, again, that is... what is this? I googled this. I was so completely baffled that I didn't want to get it wrong, and it is called on Bricklink Ice Sculpture with Food. So I guess we're building a table. This is a centerpiece for the Yule Ball, but what I don't understand is why we have red dragon fangs. Is that the food? Is it part of the sculpture? I think it must be part of the food, some kind of holiday decoration. But why are we eating or drinking jars of yellow and green Play-Doh right here? Are these potions? I guess on the left it could be butterbeer. I don't know what the green would be though. While the colors overall do look festive, I just don't look. Dragon fangs, talons, decorative flowers that you shouldn't eat, yet they're on the table with these potions. And why did this piece looks like it connects to something? So this could potentially be like the window build where we had no idea what was going on and then it connected to other pieces to make a little scene. But if that's the case here, then what is this table supposed to connect to? And why are we only building half of it? Alright, you know what, my puzzler is sore. Let's just focus on this little ice sculpture, and I am pretty certain that this is intended to be an ice sculpture. In fact, I think it's even intended to be Hogwarts, because look at these little pyramid pieces we're putting on top. I think these are the Hogwarts towers. Very cute. Alright, and that is our little icy centerpiece. Let's put it on our half table next to the jars of Play-Doh and the dragon teeth. Still looks like it should connect to something, right? Like a decorative wall? Well, whatever it is complete. And it was day 18 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Be sure to come by tomorrow so we can be confused again. Until we build again, I'll see you then.